Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you how I can hide apps or icons in Windows 11. To hide system icons like My Computer or Recycle Bin, right click on your desktop, then click Personalize, Themes, Desktop Icon Settings, and from here you can uncheck icons that you want to hide. And if you want to hide all apps and icons, right click on your desktop, View, and uncheck Show Desktop Icons. And to bring them back, right click on your desktop, View, and Show Desktop Icons. Thank you for watching.